Plug-and-play Brilliance, ISD smart kiosks with 99.9% uptime guarantee. In this ISD display kiosk design project, the client clearly defined product functionality, interaction methods, and display requirements. Our team was fully responsible for hardware circuit design, embedded software development, mechanical structure design, and prototype production, ultimately delivering for fully functional display kiosks. Hardware design completed high stability, power management, multi-signal interface integration, and screen driver optimization to ensure flicker-free and uninterrupted display during prolonged operation. Software design developed customized UI interfaces supporting touch interaction, dynamic content switching, and remote control functions with a response time of 0.3 seconds. Structural design adopted a modular cabinet structure that balances thermal dissipation and portability, with surface finishing meeting commercial-grade display standards. Prototype validation: all 4 kiosks passed 72-hour continuous stress testing with 100% client acceptance rate. Feel free to reach out by email if interested.